In this video, we shall see on updating the salary revision. In application, it can be done either employee wise or bulk wise. Now, let us see the process for the same. In home page, you need to go to employees, under employees more, under more, salary changes. You need to click on employee wise. There are two tabs, that is employee wise or bulk changes. You need to click on employee wise. Another screen appears now. You can see the formats for doing the salary increment and you need to click on new to add a new increments for particular employees. You need to update the name or code of the particular employee and the effective date, the process month, everything will be appeared over here and the current CTC value. And in IKE type there are three options, that is IKE in percentage, IKE in amount, new value. If you select IKE in percentage, you need to give the percentage on basic value column. For an example, 15% on CTC. And do not update anything in the under calculated value. And if you select IKE in amount, you need to give, for an example, like 10 lakhs. Based on that, the salary will get calculated. And coming to new value, you can either enter the small amounts to be revised for particular employees. For an example, I will take an IKE type as 10 lakh. Then click on calculate. Once you click on calculate, automatically the calculated value will get calculated. And you need to give the current pay amount, and in calculation type, whatever the amounts you need to give, you can choose over here, whether it is an IKE in percentage, IKE in amount or new value. I will just select new value and basic I will give as 50,000, and if you need to click on calculate. So the breakups whatever you have provided, that is matching to the new CTC. Once you are done with it, you need to click on update to employee master. So it has been updated to employee master and the increment of this particular employee has been saved. As I told in the beginning of this video, the salary revision can be made either employee wise or bulk wise. So to do a bulk wise, you need to go to bulk change. You need to select the month, calculation type, either of this you can choose, whether IKE in percentage, IKE in amount or new value. And increment type, either CTC or ad hoc. And you need to click on generate template. You need to fill up all the details, department, cost center, location, grade, variable pay component, basic, HRA, conveyance, medical, special allowance, PF employers and SI employers. Example and pay effective date. Once you are done with this, you need to save this file. Once you save this file, you need to import the same file in application. Choose a file and click on import. Once the file is been imported, it shows a message called imported successfully. This is how you need to go with bulk employees salary revision. Now how to process arrears. So you need to go to salary changes, click on process change. You need to select the month, select the location, and if you want, you can click on employee wise and update all the details and click on process. Okay, in spite of this, the arrears should be processed for all the employees. You need to click on process. The arrears does not reflect in payslip or page register. You need to click on process. Then only the arrears will get processed for all the employees. Once you are done with this, it shows a message called process completed. Once the arrears is been processed, you need to run the payroll for the particular month. Then only the arrears will be reflected in payslip or pay register. Once the salary is processed along with arrears, we can view the details in home page. Please go to employees, preview payroll, select the month, select the particular employee. In this payslip for the month of July, you can view the arrears. The same as we can view the arrears in monthly salary statement. To view the monthly salary statement, you need to go to reports, under reports salary, monthly salary statement. Select the particular month from the drop down. Select all the branches. You can view or either export to Excel. Once the monthly salary register has been downloaded, you can view for this particular employee called Bindu. You can view the arrears for the particular month. Thanks for watching this video. Please contact our support team for further queries.